Hi there, this is Chinkitan, also known as Mr. Chink Positive. Ang topic po natin today is man at work versus money at work. Ano bang mas maganda? Kumita sa trabaho mo o kumita ka sa pamamagitan ng pera mo? Yan ang pag-uusapan po natin. Pero bago natin pag-usapan yan, syempre, dapat naman, subscribe po kayo sa channel po natin dito sa YouTube para mas marami pa kayo matutunan, diskarte sa buhay, pera, paano palaguin, paano magtipid, at paano mag-ipon. And don't forget to click the bell button. Itong bell button na ito para pag may bago tayong video, ma-notify po kayo. Yes, let's get right into it. Medyo mahaba-haba itong topic na ito. There are two types of income that one person, ordinary person, a regular person can earn. Number one is what we call through active income. Number two is what we call as passive income. Number one, active. Number two is what we call as passive. When you talk about active income, ibig sabihin po ng active income is man at work. Oo. So, ano po yung advantage po ng man at work? Kung ikaw, let's say, babae ka man o lalaki, I'm just referring to a man as a what? A person. If you're a person who's working, you earn while you are working. And that is good. Kikita ka habang ikaw ay nagtatrabaho. And then, ang kagandahan din sa man at work, the more time you invest, the more you make. Diba? Yung parang nag-overtime ka, diba? So, you get paid longer. And then, ang kagandahan dito, lalo na kung ikaw ay professional, like for example, artista ka, engineer ka, basketballista ka, diba? Ang kagandahan sa profession na ito, the harder you work, the more you make or the more you earn. Siyempre naman, diba? Kung mas masipag ka, na atleta ka, diba? You exercise more or probably you practice more. And not only that, pag ikaw, like for example, ikaw ay isang abogado or isang doktor, the more projects you take, the more chances of what? Earning. So, see poster and print ad for details. And then, seriously, sa man at work po, the better at what you are doing, the better you earn, the higher your rate can be. So, yun po yung tinatawag na man at work. You are exchanging your effort, number one, and number two, your time for what? For money. So, that's the good thing. Let's talk about the disadvantage naman po. Ang disadvantage naman po ng man at work is this. You exchange effort and time for money. Oo, yun po. Yun lang ang problema. Paano na kung wala ka ng lakas, 'di ba? Yun ang disadvantage. Pag the moment you stop na kasi hindi ka wala ka ng lakas, yun ang problema. You stop earning. That's the problem, 'di ba? And then not only that, paano na kung wala ka na talagang time, 'di ba? Yung time mo, sobra ka ng busy, kailangan mo rin ng time para sa pamilya mo, or minsan naman kaya nga nawawala talaga ang balance. May mga iba talaga nag-i-invest talaga ng kanilang oras sa opisina, or let's say nakakalungkot man sa abroad just to make more money. That's a disadvantage. Minsan mapapalayo po talaga tayo sa ating pamilya. And then number two, ang problem din with time kasi is also limited. Scarcity. May scarcity po kasi 24 hours a day lang. You can work probably 12 hours a day, tapos you have to sleep pa, and then you have to eat pa, and then you have to travel pa. Ano matitira pa sa oras po natin? Yan isa pang disadvantage. Ang isa pang disadvantage ng mat at work business model is this. You get tired. Oo, mapapagod ka rin, di ba? Kung napupuyat ka, lalo na kung ikaw ay call center agents, di ba? O ikaw naman po ay isang nasa nursing, di ba? Ikaw ay caregiver. Di ba? Nakakapagod po talaga yan. So, you get tired. And once you get tired, you don't enjoy anymore life kahit na malaking kinikita mo. And then, not only that, ang problem with man at work is this. Once you get sick, pag nagkasakit ka, ano mangyayari? Hindi ka na papasok. And then, once di ka na pumasok, hindi ka na rin sa sweldo, titigil ang kita mo. And also, once you use the business model of man at work, you also need to rest. You need to take a break. Hindi ka pwedeng tuloy-tuloy na lang na walang bakasyon, di ba? Kasi, yun nga, mababurnout. Yun yung tinatawag namin sa mga tao na nag-burnout po. And last but not the least, the disadvantage of man at work is this. The moment you stop working, you stop earning. I will repeat. The moment you stop working, you stop earning. Yun yung problema talaga natin. It's very limited. Yun po yung man at work. Let's go right now to what we call as what? Passive income. Ang passive income naman po. Ano naman po yung passive income? This is money at work. Yung pera na po ang nagtatrabaho po para sa atin. Sige, pag-usapan muna natin mga friendship, ano mga advantages. Advantage number one, ito yung kagandahan. Even if you stop working, your income will never stop. Yes! Yes, ang kaganda niyan, grabe, di ba? Kahit na ikaw ay nagbabakasyon, di ba? Kahit ikaw man ay magkasakit, di ba? Kahit ikaw ay mag-enjoy, kahit na ikaw ay natutulog, yun ang kagandahan, di ba? Ay kumikita ka. Yan ang pinaka-advantage ng money at work. Number 2, money is working for you. Di ba? Yung pera na nagtatrabaho po para sa atin, instead na tayo po dapat ang magtrabaho para tayo ay kumita ng pera. So, we do not become a slave to money. Money right now is our slave, di ba? Oh, I love that, di ba? And the good news, ito lang the good news about money at work, ang pera talaga ay magandang empleyado. Oo, when you say magandang empleyado, di ba? Money work for you. Ang pera kasi hindi napapagod. Ang pera hindi natutulog. Kumikita siya ng 24/7. Ang pera po ay hindi nagkakasakit. Ang pera po ay hindi kailangan magbakasyon. Ang pera po hindi nabubuntis at hindi kailangan ng maternity leave. Oh! Yun ang good news about money at work. Again, one of the best ways for us to earn passive income is via what we call as investment. Oo, di ba? We earn income via passive investment. Pero ang question naman, ano naman tong passive investment na pinag-uusapan natin? One of the best way of passive investment is what we call as the stock market. Kung wala pa kayong kaalam-alam sa stock market, no, ito lang sabihin ko po sa inyong katotohanan. Marami rin po ang yumaman. Many people invested and many people became rich because of the stock market. So, just to give you an idea, okay, ganito po kung kayo po ay interesado to earn from what we call as passive income and allow money to work for you, don't tune out. Tune in lang po. Kasi pag-uusapan po natin ang isang historical fact. Just to give you an idea on how powerful the stock market is, especially when it comes to investment. Pinag-aralan po natin ang isang stock po, no? Isang stock po na talagang nag-offering sila, initial public offering. When you say IPO, initial public offering, yan po yung time na talagang nag-public listed po itong kumpanya na ito para mangalap po ng pera sa public para mag-build pa ng kanilang infrastructure, mag-expand ng kanilang negosyo. Okay, ito po yung kumpanyang DMCI. Disclaimer lang po. Sinishare ko po tong idea na ito sa inyo hindi dahil I'm promoting this company. No, I don't endorse companies. I'm just saying you as an example kasi these are figures, no? So I just need to mention the company name. So, itong DMCI po nito, on June 23, 2003 po, ang price offering, initial price offering niya per share is 23 centavos. 23 centavos. Ang ibig sabihin niya, pag kayo po ay may piso, pwede kayong bumili ng 4 na shares. No, grabe talaga. That was on 2003. Nasaan ka noong 2003? So, syempre, pwede ka na bumili, di ba? 25 cents. So, affordable. Meron ka ng 1 share ng company. Guess what? Ladies and gentlemen, ito yung good news. On June 2 naman po of 2014, di ba? After how many years? Around 9 years, di ba? 9 years ba? Okay, no. After actually 11 years po. 11 years po. Ang nangyari po, per share po niya, naging 74.95 centavos, 74 pesos and 95 centavos po. So, in other words, kung i-multiply po, ilang beses po nag-doble at nag-triple ang iyong pera, it expanded and multiplied 32,487% increase over a period of 11 years. Wow, that's so powerful. Just in case lang po, ito yung ginawa po natin. Let's say bumili kayo ng 100,000 shares noong 2003 at 25 cents, magkakaroon po kayo ng 434,000 shares. 434,000 shares. Minultiply nyo po nung at the peak level of the MCI at 7,495. Alam nyo yung pagkano na yung 100,000 na original amount nyo nung 2003 by the year 2014 magiging isang tumataginting na how much? Okay, at the count of 3, lumabas ka. 1, 2, 3, 32 million pesos. Woo! Grabe, kung 100,000 ang pera mo ngayon, 32 million na po ang halaga noong 2014. Wow! Grabe naman. Totoo ba yan? Yes, it happened. Totoo po yan. These are numbers. Hindi po to katang isip. These are facts and figures. So, if you ask me, this is money at work. Where can you find an investment na nag-invest ka ng 100,000 and then after 14 years or 11 years, naging magkano? Ay, 32 million. Imposible ba yan? Mukhang imposible pero ito po ay nangyari because of the power of money at work. So, right now, syempre naman pinag-usapan natin yung advantage. Pag-usapan naman natin ang disadvantage ng ganitong klaseng investment. The disadvantage of this investment is this. Syempre naman, may positive, may negative. Ano yung negative? Ang negative, if you do not know how to invest, you have the potential to also lose all of your what? Money. Oh, yun yung problema. So my question to you right now is this. Interesado ka ba to invest on money at work? If you say yes, check po tayo. Are you interested to also learn how to invest in the stock market and know how it works? Kung check, ay good news. I have a special online course called Stock Market for Everyone. The what, the why, the how of stock market. Kung interesado kayo kung paano ika nga kumita sa tinatawag na stock market o paano magpalago ng pera tulad ng mga mayayaman, this is the session for you. Ang good news po, this is an online course. When you say online course, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, and Team Abroad, you'll be able to watch this live anytime, anywhere, and any place. Next question, Chinky, ano yung makukuha namin dito? Number one, you will know, how would you know if the stock market is really for you? How would you know if a particular stocks will really profit better than others? How to lessen your risk in terms of investment in stocks. Prevention is better than cure. How to earn passive investment for a very long time in the stock market. How big can you earn? And then, ito pa yung pinakamaganda, lalo na para sa mga OFW, how to open an account and how can you invest even if you are living abroad. How can you trade? Yan at marami pang iba. Saan pa ulit? Sa Stock Market for Everyone online course. Question, how much the investment? Normally, when you attend, Marvin Hermo. By the way, this session pala is going to be back-to-back kami ni Marvin Hermo. Marvin Hermo will do most of the talks because he's a stock market expert. I will just pitch in from time to time and give my personal insight. Pero si Marvin Hermo po, yung sumulat ng librong Stock Smart, siya po ang magiging research person natin, subject matter expert po natin sa session na ito. Normally, when you attend his session, you have to invest at least, sinasabi niya sa akin, 15,000, 10,000, mga pinakamababa sa kanya is 5,000 pesos. However, since friendship ko siya, ginamit ko yung friendship power. That's the reason why he agreed to offer us at a very, very minimal price. Actually, hindi siya 5,000, hindi rin siya 4,000, hindi rin siya 2,000 pesos, hindi rin siya 1,000 pesos. Nako, grabe talaga. Pumayag siya sa halagang 799 pesos. So, if you want to learn for this session, me and Marvin Hermo will share with you the insights of stock market. It's only a 799 pesos investment. So, if you're interested, all you need to do is just type the word called stock market. Type the word called stock market inside your comment box and I will send you a personal link and a personal invitation. So, para makapag-enroll po kayo. And once nakapag-enroll kayo, you can view it for 1 whole year na replay pa ulit-ulit. So, type the word called stock market right now and I will see you inside the online course called Stock Market for Everyone. Thank you for watching. If you want to keep on growing and to stay inspired, subscribe and hit the bell button to get notified. Always think positive.